Before heading to the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and don't forget to click the bell icon for the latest update notification. If you like the video, do like, comment and share. Stay tuned with learnbay.co. Happy learning!
Now, data processing is something that is conversion of the raw data to the meaningful information. Suppose a raw data is given to you in an Excel format that will have a lot of duplicates and all in it, a lot of duplicate data, or you have to articulate with the data. Now that raw data, you need to convert that into a you need to convert that into a model data. That means the data which does not have any kind of duplicates in it. So you need to remove the duplicates, you need to remove the splits, columns and everything, delimit what you say in Excel so that it looks like a model data that the company requires in it. Okay. Now what happens is that data which you have already done the eradicated the duplications and everything, that data will automatically get dispersed to the business requirements. Now the business requirements doesn't, they also want that duplicate data to be in the visualized or in the analytical form. So I'll show you the data life cycle. This is the data life cycle. This is the business requirements. Then the data acquisition comes. Data acquisition means eradication of the duplicate data. Then comes the data exploration. First, whenever a data is given to you, you need to categorize the data. Means suppose date is given to you. So suppose shipping date is given to you. That comes under date. Employee ID is given to you. That comes under ID, entity ID. Now, then comes the salary. Salary is a variable. Like that, you need to categorize the data. That is meant by data exploration. Okay. Now, data processing means the data processing means whatever the duplicates or the articulated data that has been given to you, you have to remove all the duplicates and you have to analyze the data. That is known as data processing. Then you need to give it a shape. That is data modeling. And then after data modeling, you need to convert the raw data into the visualization form. That is known as a deployment. Okay. Now this is about the data life cycle. In data processing, you have six steps you have. First, the data is collected to you, the collection of the data, then it is the preparation of the data, then it is input, processing, output, storage. Collection means the raw data is being given to you. That is collected crucially for the output process. Preparation is manipulation of the data. Whatever data is being given to you, you need to remove the duplicate or articulate of the data. That is known as preparation. Input means after eradicating all the duplicates, delimiting and everything, the input data that has been fetched towards you, that you have fetched. Now you need to process the data. After processing, you need to articulate and give the output. That means you need to visualize the data. You need to convert the raw data into impactful reports. As I said before, that Tableau, as I said in this, that Tableau is a business intelligence tool since it used to prepare the impactful reports. So you need to convert the data into impactful reports and into a visualization of the report. That is known as processing. And then output, whatever visualization you have done, the raw data has been converted to the impactful storyboard and the dashboard. That is known as the output. And finally is the storage. Storage of the data means it's the quick access and retrieval of the processed information. So this is the one which I'm talking about. See, you need to integrate all the different data sets. You need to visualize, categorize all the data types, and then you need to analyze the data and then visualize the data. Okay. Now, what is a database? And a RDBMS. RDBMS is Relational Database Management System, and database is an organized form of a model that has some rows and columns in it. The rows are, there are n number of rows and specific number of columns. So in an Excel spreadsheet, you might have seen that you will have n number of rows and specific number of columns will be there. So that is a database. A relational database management system means you are converting the data into a structural format. That means in a tabular format, which has some rows and columns in it.